In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Gmail account in Instagram. First, go to Instagram.com and sign in. This is your entry point where you access your Instagram profile. You will see the login page where you enter your username and password. Ensure that you enter the correct information to avoid any login issues. Once you successfully log in, you will be brought to your home feed. This is where you interact with posts from those you follow. Being logged in is essential because it allows you to make changes to your account settings. Next, click More located at the bottom left of the screen, then select Settings. This section is where you can manage various aspects of your account. You will see a list of options that help you customize your experience. Clicking on More directs you to additional features, while Settings is your control panel for account management. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for the upcoming changes you want to make. From there, click on Account Center. This area centralizes your account settings across different Facebook-owned apps. You will notice options for managing linked accounts and personal details. Accessing the Account Center is important because it allows you to handle multiple accounts more efficiently. You are now one step closer to changing your email address, so keep following along. Now, click on Personal Details. This section shows you the basic information associated with your account. You will see your current email address and other personal info. Here you can review what is currently linked to your account. Understanding this information is important as it ensures you are aware of what is being shared and how to update it correctly. Next, click on Contact Info. This is where you manage your email addresses and phone numbers associated with your account. You will see your current contact details displayed. It is essential to keep this information up to date as it helps with account recovery and communication from Instagram. This little step saves you a lot of time later if you ever need to recover your account or receive important notifications. After that, click on Add New Contact or select your current email. If you choose to add a new contact, you will have a field where you can enter the new email address. Selecting your current email allows you to update it directly. This action is significant as it helps you transition to a new email without losing access to your account. Make sure to double-check the email address for accuracy before proceeding. Then, enter your new Gmail address and save the changes. This is where you input the email address you want to use moving forward. Once you enter the new email, look for a Save button to confirm your changes. This ensures that your new email address is recorded in the system. Seeing the confirmation message will reassure you that your changes have been successfully applied. Finally, verify the new email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. This step is critical for security and ensures that you have access to the new email. Check your Gmail inbox for an email from Instagram and click on the verification link inside. This confirms your new email address and links it to your account. Completing this step guarantees that you can receive notifications and updates at your new email. By following these steps, you have successfully changed your Gmail account in Instagram. This process ensures that your account information remains current and secure. Thank you for watching and enjoy your updated Instagram experience.